Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to ServiceNow 911. In the series of service catalog, today we discuss about record producer. So in general in ServiceNow there are four major items. Let me show you that. The very first one is the standard catalog item. So we already discussed what is a standard catalog item. Then we have the record producer, then we have order guide, and finally we have content items. So today we discuss about record producers. So the definition is giving alternative way of adding information such as incident via service catalog. So in case you want to create a record of a particular table, let's say incident, problem, or change, means any of the task related table, in that case you use service catalog. In a standard catalog item, we generally start with the request and then it has a number of requested item, and finally based on the workflow we have task. But here you have the option to create a record based on the choice of the table. Okay, so let me show you one of the record producer. Most of the things are same, but only difference is the table. Okay, so now this is one of the record producer. You see the table here, SC cat item producers. So in this we have all the list. Open. So I have created this sample record producer. The name is test record producer. Then the important one is table. So I have selected a incident table. Rest all our fields are the same. Then we have the short description. You already know all these things. Meta. Then here you have to provide the catalog, the category, view, and if you want to have the cancel button in the form, then you can click this. Otherwise, just remove it. Okay. Then we have this template option because we are creating a table record. So in that case, if you want to create a template, then you can do so. And then finally we have these portal settings, which are very basics. I think you already understand what this means. Okay. After that, at bottom you have the same as standard catalog item, the variables, variable set. Rest all things are the same. Only thing is you can redirect to a different table, create a record in a different table. So I have added two variable sets here. Okay, so now let me click on try it. So you see this is how it looks. Let me select one of my friend. Let's say awesome. Provide the date of birth. Submit. As soon as you submit, you see it is redirected us to the new record which is created. Okay, we have the option to set the field of table in record producer. Let me show you that. Just go back. I forget to show you, no problem. Let me configure it. Just here at the bottom, see there is a script here. Let me maximize it. So various recommendations are available here. You see you can use current. The current will represent the current record, like the incident record which is just created. Okay, then you have these warnings. Okay, and then we have the producer object to access the variable. So what I did here, so I have updated the value of this particular variable using producer. Okay, like producer dot name of the variable equal to the value, and then I have updated the short description of the incident, like current dot short description equal to. So you see here in the incident we have the short description like this. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, this is the brief introduction of this record producer. Okay, you can update the script as much as you want. Okay, all kind of server-side scripting is allowed here, so make the most use of it as per your requirement. This is it for today's video. See you in next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.